In this video, I'll be going to teach you on how to get a voided check from Navy Federal. So basically, first you need to open your phone, especially your search engine, and after that you are going to utilize your search bar for you to able to search for Navy Federal, and make sure that you click the first link that comes on your search. So basically, once you click on that URL, you just have to scroll it down until you see the footer, and as you can see, we already reached the footer. Actually, you would see their hotline, which is the 24/7 member services. You could also contact this one, but in this case, I'm going to teach you on how to go to their customer support. So you just have to click on the contact us or their help center. But in this case, you are going to click on the contact us. Once you click on that one, scroll down until you find these sections. So basically, you will be able to go to their live chat support or even phone support, and they have this hotline for you to able to talk to a representative and help you get assisted. So, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.